Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're talking about how you can actually make real money from Monopoly Go. And yeah, I know it sounds kind of crazy, but there are a few legit workarounds people use. So let's get right into it. Before we dive in, just remember, Monopoly Go itself doesn't directly pay out real money, but there are these clever ways players use their progress, cards, and accounts to turn it into actual cash. So first up, we've got selling rare cards. If you've played Monopoly Go, you know those album stickers, right? Some of them, especially the 4-star and 5-star cards, are really hard to get, which makes them super valuable to other players. What a lot of players do is collect duplicates and then sell or trade them in online groups. Facebook groups, Reddit threads, even Discord servers. Those are where most of the action happens. Just, always check who you're trading with to avoid scams. People do pay real money for these, especially if it completes their collection. All right, second method, selling full Monopoly Go accounts. Now, this one works best if your account has a high level board, rare cards, and a good dice stash. The higher your level, the higher your price. A lot of sellers start fresh accounts, level them up, stack cards, and then list them for sale. You can post these on places like Player Auctions, G2G, Epic NPC, or even Reddit. But yeah, always pick trusted platforms to avoid getting scammed. Oh, and one tip, if your Monopoly account's linked to Facebook, create a fresh Facebook profile before selling. That way, you can safely transfer the login info to the buyer without risking your personal account. Okay, so this next one's a bit controversial. Some players set up bots to farm dice, cards, and rewards across multiple accounts. It's kind of like, automating the grind, but here's the deal. It's risky. If Monopoly Go detects you're using bots, your accounts could get permanently banned. So yeah, if you're tech savvy and want to explore this, you'll need scripting or automation tools, but honestly, it's not for beginners. Quick heads up, none of these methods are officially supported by Monopoly Go. There's always a chance your account could get restricted or banned. To stay safe, always use trusted platforms, check community reviews, and avoid sending cards or login details before receiving payment. So yeah, you can make real money from Monopoly Go, but it comes with risks. Selling rare cards, flipping high-level accounts, or, using automation. Each one has pros and cons. If you're going to try any of these, start small, test carefully, and always use safe platforms. Otherwise, maybe just enjoy the game for fun. And that's a wrap. If this helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and check out the next video for more Monopoly Go hacks.